actually works, guys. It's super insane. So I'm going to show you guys exactly.
Hi guys, so today I will show you how to get a hunting sniper hack for iOS and Android. So let me open it up, and as you can see, we're broke, but we press this button, we can add free gems and coins. So I'm going to add it, and let's see if it goes up. So let me just do that, and let's see what happens. So as you can see, here we are, and it should start increasing, so hopefully it goes up. And let's see. Nothing. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video. So I'm just gonna max it out. All right. So let's go. So we're gonna go to settings, and we're gonna type general, and then background refresh, and you just want to turn this on. So it's very important. The next thing is go to battery, turn off low power mode. So the next thing is go to matrixmods.com, find the hunting sniper, press download, and then the last thing is the verification. So this is just where we have to download 2 free apps from the App Store and like follow the instructions. It's fully working, by the way. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. And as you can see, it says missing files, so you just want to download some of these apps. So for instance, like Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. Or Travel Town, you know, all these games and stuff, guys, who gives a shit? Make sure you do 2 of them, that's all you gotta do. And they're all gonna have their own rules, so like this one says I gotta install the app and open it. You know how easy that is? Install the app and open it. You gotta search it up though. So make sure you do 2 of them, guys, then you will get the hunting sniper hack for your device. And it's pretty wild because a lot of people hate on me for providing real hunting sniper hacks, but where have you even seen an iOS hunting sniper hack? But also, in the settings, make sure that low power mode is disabled, because you will be screwing yourself if you have it on. And also make sure the background refresh is on, so that will help you. So we go general, and make sure that is turned on, guys. So there you go, guys. So I'll see you in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's super cool and fully works, so yeah, try it out for yourself, guys. This is actually working. So yeah, make sure you guys download 2 of the apps, and you should be all set. So also, I want you to know, if you're in another country, the apps will probably be different, so that's something to note. So yeah, super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but that's how to get hunting sniper hack for iOS and Android. It's really cool if you play hunting sniper, because a lot of people might get stuck on the game, but with this version you can get free stuff. So you're gonna have unlimited guns, damage multiplier, armor bypass, immunity, auto block, all this crazy stuff. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe if you want to get hunting sniper hack for your device. So it's super cool. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, but yeah, get down and try it out. I've looked into some other mods, but this is the only one I can really confidently recommend to you guys, so try it out. But yeah, this is really cool. So if it works, then it works, right?